Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So tonight I'm going to be doing my savings challenge and cash envelope stuffing. I'm not doing a lot of cash. It's going to be just $150 that I'm going to stuff between the envelopes that I have made up. Forgive me right now, I'm just putting some lotion on my hands because, oof, yeah. But yeah, so this is what we're gonna do. We're going to add the money to the envelopes, and I'll show you how I have it set up as far as inside of the notebook, how I actually record everything. Once I've actually, keeping a track of, how much money I put in every week or every 2 weeks or however I feel need to do it. So this is $150. I have it split up in between ones, fives, and tens. And this is, move this out the way real quick. This is my binder that I use to house the money. And I'm doing the $1 a day challenge. And what I do is I'll put the money, inside of the envelope, of course. And then here I have a log. So I haven't put any in here since the 4th of January, but I'm gonna actually, put that money in here tonight. But I just put the money in there, and then I'll put the date and I'll put the amount that I put inside of the envelope. And same thing on out. The bi-weekly challenge, same thing. I put the money in here on the 1st, which is the day that I started the actual challenge, because I wanted to start it at the month of January. So I had already put like $1 in there, and it was no need for me to put any more in there because this is a bi-weekly challenge. And I do have to pull up the list for the bi-weekly challenge. I think it's like $1, and then the next 2 weeks I think it's $2, and then after that I think it's $3, and then after that I think it's $4. Excuse me, I think that's how it goes, but I have to pull that list back up to make sure. So this is how it is, on out. I probably will add, like I said, I have $10 in here for phone, did that. I probably will add $10 more, or I'll add $15, I'm not sure. Groceries, I'll probably add $10, and I'll write down here, track it, what I actually put inside the envelope, so that I can keep a track and tally it up, at the end of the month or something like that. And that's about it. And back here is just a bunch of paper and stuff that I have for notes or whatever I need. Oh, and this right here is leftover cash. I think I do have some. I do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have like $10 left over. I'll just put that over here with the rest of that for now. All right, and I do have some quotes and stuff in here, to keep me motivated. Don't save what is left spending. Don't save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. I like that. All right, so let's get started here real quick. This shouldn't take long. If you guys excuse me for a second, I am going to lift this up some. Okay, I think that's a little better. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. I know that I haven't put anything in here since the 4th. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Today is the 8th. So I'm just gonna take $4 more and put in here, and I'll be up to date on my $1 a day challenge. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And I'm new at this, guys, so please be nice. Don't be mean to me. Don't give me a hard time. I'm new at it. I'm learning. So once I get the swing of things, I'll get better. I'll get better. So here I'm going to go and I'm going to log the money that I just put in there. I don't know if I should just put, instead of putting the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, I should just put maybe January 8th, 21, and put $4. I don't know, maybe I'll do that. instead of just writing it out like that. So move this over. So I'm gonna put 1, 8, 21, $4. Okay, and I'll just put it back in here, behind there, and leave it as that. All right, and for our next envelope, it's going to be the buy challenge, the bi-weekly challenge. So I'm going to put $2 in here. 1, 2. Close it up. And I have got to make sure that I'm adding the right amount inside of there for that challenge. So same thing, I'm gonna take in, let's move this back some. I'm gonna take and put down 1, 8, 21, $2. Okay, I'm gonna put that back in there. Oh, I'm gonna have to close it up. And for phone, I'm gonna put $10. Close it up. And then I'll put down here on 1, 8, $10. Okay. That back there. Groceries. I'm going to put $20. Wish I had a $20 bill, but that's fine. Don't matter. Money is money. It all spends the same. That there. And then I'll write down 1, 8, 21, $20. And I'm sure that there's all kind of ways to do this. I've seen some girls, like, they really got it, like, mapped out. They got it together. And I'm gonna get there, y'all. So for rainy cash, I'm gonna put $5 this week. Okay, close it up. Rainy cash is just for a rainy day. I'm gonna do the same thing here. 1, 8, 21, $5. Okay. And for B days and VKs, which is vacation, I'm going to put $10. Up. Here. Well, 1, 8, 21, $10. And medical is like my prescriptions and things like that. I'm gonna put $5 in here. So back up. 1, 8, 21, $5. Put that there. And miscellaneous is like my planner supplies, you know, anything that I need as far as for myself. A lot of people have like beauty and things like that, and I do need to probably make a beauty one, so I think I'm going to just keep this as miscellaneous, as like my planner supplies and anything that I need to get as far as my YouTube's, Instagram, or anything pertaining to my planning system. This is what it's going to be. So I'm going to put $10 in here this week. Seal it up there. Put that there. 1, 8, 21, $10. Okay, and for Christmas this year, I'm going to put $10 in there this week for Christmas. my amounts will change. You know, my deposits that I'm gonna put in here will change, get a little bit more higher, you know, as we get into the year. But right now I'm just starting out, so I'm just trying to figure things out and find my way. So I started out very light with $150 this week to see how, you know, see how things go. So that's that for this notebook. Oh, this is my paycheck challenge. And what I do is that for mine, a lot of people do it differently, but I know the way I'm doing it is, if my check was $12.15.75, I'm going to take the $15.75 and put it into my savings account and just leave the $1,200 inside of my checking account. And it's just an example. So the amount that I did transfer this morning was $25.41. I'm sorry, $25.14. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write that here to keep a track of every pay period, the last 4 digits of my paycheck, which I consider it just like the change part. I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to put it into my savings account in my bank. I'm not going to keep that money here in an envelope. I'm just going to transfer it to my savings account every 2 weeks. So I'm going to put down $25.14 is what I transferred today. I need to put a little whatchamacallit there, a tab. I don't think I have one with me in here. No, I don't. I was gonna tab it, but I'll tab it later. I think I have one in here. Nope. Okay, no problem. I'll tab it later. That's all I want to do. I want to just put a tab here that says the paycheck challenge. So I can put that there. So what I'm gonna do now is, I have this, and I made this, well, I bought, of course I didn't make this. I got this from Target. I think it's like a coupon or check holder, and I actually am going to use it for additional cash, you know, stuffing. So I just, you know, set it up, put the letters on there, put a little doll on there, got payday on there, got the money flowing or whatever. So I'm going to use this one for the $5 challenge. So I'm still not all familiar with the $5 challenge. I got to go and do a little bit more research on it, but I know one girl was saying that any $5 bills that she had, she just took and she stuffed them and put them away. But I know there are other ways out there to do it as well. So I'm just going to start mine off with $5 this week. Okay, first paycheck of January, and I'm going to put it in here. Okay, now I need to, because I have not done it yet, and this is what it looks like in there. And I'm sorry that this camera is not focused, but it has different sections in here, and I'm going to use my label maker, and I'm going to put the $5 challenge tab on here, and I'll just take and stick it in there behind there, and then also, and so on. Sorry, so Felicia, and so on. Okay, so I know that that's the one that I want to do, the $5 challenge. Right now I don't have any more in mind that I want to do. There's so many out there, but I'm not trying to, you know, do all of that. I'm just not trying to do all of them. I'm just trying to do a few, get started with this system. Like I say, I'm very new to it, but I do like it, and I do like the ideas of saving the money, especially at the end of the year, the $1 a day, the $5 challenge, the paycheck challenge, the bi-weekly challenge. You know, I am going to enjoy that. I know at the end of the year, I'm excited to see how much I save at the end of the year. So yeah, so basically, like I said, this is going to be the $5 challenge. I'm thinking I do need to do like a home section, like anything that we need as far as in the house. I was thinking that I could use that as far as the grocery part, because when we go to the grocery store, when I think of home stuff, I'm thinking of paper towels, tissues, soap, you know, toiletries, things like that. But and we always normally get that with our groceries. So I was thinking, oh well, I wonder if I can just, you know, all of that can just be used together. But I see people do it differently. They're doing like a grocery envelope, and they're doing a home envelope. So that was the same thing I was thinking about as far as my planning, my miscellaneous. I said I was just going to use it for my planning stuff. And the next, you know, I was thinking, okay, if I use the miscellaneous for planning, beauty, whatever, anything that was pertaining to me that I wanted, I could have put it all in there, but I think I better keep it separate. So I do want to have a folder for beauty, because I do like to get like my nails and stuff like that, and if I want to get a pedicure. But I kind of like cut all that out right now, like I say, because I've been using the press-on nails, and I actually like them. Whatever, it suits me fine. So whatever, I can do that for a while now, and I definitely can polish my own toes and do my own feet. But still, if I want to need it to go and get like my nails, and if I want to see buy some polish or whatever, I'll still probably be going to get my eyebrows arched, of course. So that would be considered as beauty for me. So I would call it like a self-care, you know. So I'm just gonna put that here in the next slide, right there. Okay, so I'll label that one. So I'll label this one as $5 challenge, and I'll label this one as self-care. Okay, so right now that's pretty much all the sinking funds and cash envelope stuffings that I'm taking part in for right now. And if I do come up with some more, I would definitely let you guys know. But for right now, me just starting out, this was good enough for me. You know what I'm saying? This was enough for me. So this is my cash that's left over. So basically I'll count it out and see how much I have left over, and I'll just put it inside of this envelope that I showed you guys earlier. Okay? Oh, I left some money in there. $1. All right. So left over I have 10, 20, 30, 5, 45, 50. 1, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 7, 8, 9, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. So I still have $75 left over, okay? And I pulled out $150. So remember, I had a few dollars left over inside of my leftover cash envelope. So this is what I have now, $75 left over, and I'm just gonna put this in here. And I'm gonna put it back here, close it up, and that is it for my sinking funds and cash envelope stuffing. I'm glad you guys tuned in. Thank you so much for watching. Please be nice. Don't give me a hard time. It's gonna get better. But I'm just proud that I found something that I like and that I think that's gonna benefit me throughout the year and at the end of the year. So I'm excited. Yay for 21 savings. Bye.